I am Hari Vikas, and today we are going to study about the structure of atom. As we all know that atom is the tiniest particle of an element. Anything which is found in this universe, which occupy a space, is known as matter. Which has some mass and occupy a space is known as matter. And every matter is made up of atom. What are atoms? Atom is the tiniest particle of an element. In this chapter, we study about the composition of atom. This means fundamental particles present inside an atom. First, J.J. Thomson conducted a famous experiment with gas discharge tube. In this experiment, he found the presence of negative particle known as electrons. Similarly, E. Goldstein had also conducted this type of experiment with some holes in anode, and he found positive particles, and Rutherford named that particles as protons. The value of charge on electron and proton is same, but on electron the value of charge is negative in nature, and the value of charge on proton is positive in nature. Both the values are 1.602 to 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. James Chadwick discovered neutrons, and neutron has no any charge. Neutron is a neutral particle. The first model of atom was presented by J.J. Thomson and known as plum pudding model and watermelon model also. According to this model, atom consists of positive and negative charge distributed anywhere in it. But this model was proven wrong after the experiment conducted by Rutherford. Rutherford conducted a famous experiment with gold tin foil. He took gold tin foil because it is a heavier metal and struck it with helium nuclei, means alpha particles. He observed in this experiment some rays deviated from its path, some rays went it through without any deviation, and some ray returned back. After conducting this experiment, Rutherford proposed some postulates. According to these postulates, atoms are empty. Atoms are mostly empty. All the positive charges are concentrated at the center of atom. And he named the center of atom as nucleus. Rutherford did not describe anything about the number of electrons present in the orbit. He said the electrons revolving around the nucleus in orbit, but he did not estimate the number of electrons in that orbit. There is also a contradiction between Rutherford and James Clerk Maxwell. According to Maxwell, a moving charge produces electromagnetic field around it, and it must lose energy. According to the structure given by Rutherford, electrons revolving around the nucleus, and if Maxwell's rule applied here, then electrons must lose some energy, and after some time it must fuse with the nucleus. But this does not happen in real. Then what is the reason behind this? They both could not explain it. After some time, G. Broglie gave the dual nature of matter, and this theory could be explained after that. Group of atoms of similar elements known as molecules. There are approximately 118 elements in this world according to modern periodic table. The hydrogen is the lightest element. So many scientists conduct their experiment based on hydrogen. Niels Bohr also conducted hydrogen spectrum experiment and gave many theories. Niels Bohr